Hello and welcome guys to one of the best YouTube channel for binary option for trading on Pokcet option, right? Here you may see one of the best strategies, one of the easiest strategies for you, one of the best explanation of the strategies, right? Thank you for me. Okay, let's start. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and let's get started. Okay, we are on the broker, right? Right. We have $350 on our balance, so we're gonna multiply it today. We're gonna make much more deposit. We're gonna use next indicators. The first one is super trend. The next one is the let me remember, RSI oscillator, of course, and I think we should add the fractal in order to identify the local highs and lows. So, but we look at the super trend first. It's gonna show us the main signal, and it will be supported by the RSI. We're gonna watch the touch, right, of the oversold and overbought zones. The same goes for local highs and local lows, and then based on that we're gonna open our position. So basically the support and resistance zone will also help us. We don't need to change the settings, keep them default. All the currency pairs have been picked, so yep, everything is fine, amount is good. Let's start. Alright, long position, let me just explain it to you. Well, the first thing to look at is the super trend. It gives us the buy signal. We see the upward dynamics, good correction took place here. The local high has been updated. We also see the touch of the middle line on the RSI. So the reversal is gonna happen, at least a small pullback, guys. And let's watch the price movement. New candle appeared. Let's see. As you can see, the volatility is kind of low, and there it is. The breakout is happening. Let's wait exactly at the end of the position, exactly as we expected, and there are $585 on the balance. So we're gonna update the trade amount as I did, and let's continue. So yeah guys, as you see, everything is super simple, few simple signals, and then you fix the profit. First of all, we look at the super trend, we identify the trend direction, then we check the RSI, and also pay attention to the previous local high or low, guys. So this is the main principle. Remember it, notice it. We are interested in the highest payout rate. Okay, it seems like the trend has changed. That's why we're gonna open short position here. Let me show you the principle, guys. And again, we look at the super trend. It shows us the downward direction, and we follow the signal. Yes, sir. By the way, the updating of the local low did happen here, right after which there was a small pullback, and the price should move downwards again, because I'm sure that the trend has changed here. The uptrend took place here, and now it's the downward one, and we have some space on the RSI, right? So let's watch the price movement. All right, we're in the profits. You saw the breakdown is happened. That's good, exactly as expected. Our signals played out perfectly. There $1,000 on our balance. So let's continue, right? Let's update the currency pair. Let's choose the next one. Let's wait for the next candle. No. Too many seconds. Let's find another one. I see great potential for opening a long, guys. What do you think? Yeah, let's open long here. I think we're not mistaken. As always, we look at the super trend. It tells us to open a long, and we did. And there the space on the RSI until the moving average hits the overbought zone, after which the downward dynamics should follow up. But so far, so good, guys. Look at this beautiful breakout. Here's a new candle. It's not a big deal. This in the red. We got a great trade entry point. I'm sure we're gonna see more dynamics here. And there we go. Our position is in profit. That's good. Despite this red candle, we're in the profits anyway, right? So let's continue our trading, guys. Pretty easy, pretty simple. You see that by yourself. So what does the super trend tells us here? And it tells us to open along. And we're gonna do that. All right, we see the touch of the middle line on the RSI, and I'm sure that the green candle is gonna show up because the correction should be over. Get over here. So correction should be over here, and it's obvious that the updating of the local low has already happened. So let's wait for the breakout. Let's watch the price movement. All right, low volatility, the great power of our signal play out perfectly. We're in the profits. We have $2,000 and $700 on the balance. So let's continue. We're not gonna stop here. And let's open here 2 long positions right away. The principle is exactly the same, guys. We caught a great trade entry level. The super trend tells us that it's better to open a long. Also, we see the touch of the support zone. The rebound is inevitable. And yep, we got a nice entry point. Look at this green candle. The breakout is happening right now. Exactly as we predicted. So let's just watch the price movement. There we go, $4,000 on our balance. That's good results. We're not gonna stop. No. Let's continue. Let's see what do we have. Okay, we're gonna open with the trend for short positions, guys. The super trend shows us that the opening short is the right thing here. The touch of the oversold zone hasn't happened yet. So let's watch the price movement. Yep, guys, you see that beautiful breakdown is happening right now, and we are in the profits. That's great. We're close to $7,000, right? We're not gonna stop. Let's open our final positions for today, and then we're gonna withdraw the money as usual. So super trend tells us to open along, but it's about to reverse, and I think it makes sense to play out the rebound from the overbought zone. I think the bull's gonna lose the initiative here, and we're gonna open our short positions. Yeah, mister. We're gonna open it. Okay. Good level. We caught. Good. You can see that massive breakdown, guys. Exactly what we needed. So let's watch the price movement. All our position is in profit. We close to $12,000. We did it in a few minutes. It's quite easy. We started from $300 or less, I don't remember, and now we get that money. So let's move to withdrawal, my favorite part of the video, right? Alright, continue button. Everything is done. Pretty easy strategy, guys. Try it on. Don't forget about your comments, likes, comments, subscriptions, I mean, YouTube channel, Telegram channel. Have a good market. Bye bye. So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get a $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.